Hey everyone! Welcome to the third day of Halloweek. I'm being joined by an uni, so if you hear any noise or see any movement in the back, it's probably him. Today I wanted to do a decoration. I've been itching to do this for a little while, and Halloweek was the perfect opportunity to do it. I'm going to show you guys how to make one of those photos where the eyes follow you around the room, wherever you go. So let's get started. You'll need cardstock. I'm just using the typical stuff that you get from the craft store, whatever comes in the big pack. A photo of someone where they're like looking straight into the camera, an X-Acto knife, markers that match the eye area of your photo, a frame, and glue. I got this frame from the thrift store and it needed some patching up. Basically, I just touched up the paint. Since the gold paint that I have didn't match so well, I painted around this whole section just to give it a sort of two-tone look. My frame was a bit bigger than my photo, so I cut out some poster board to act as a faux mat board. Basically, another border around the photo. I also used a marker to black out the inner edge to make it match the rest of the board. And now for the photo. As I mentioned, you need one with the person looking straight at the camera. That's when the illusion looks the best. Print out the image onto your cardstock. If your printer can't print on cardstock, print it on normal paper and then glue that onto a piece of cardstock. Edit the photo so it's just the rectangle around the eyes and print that out as well. For me, I trimmed the edges so that it would perfectly fit into my oval frame. Then, on the full photo, cut out the eyes. To help with the illusion, use a marker to color the white edge of the paper. This will help it blend into the other layers. Trace this onto a blank piece of cardstock, mark a rectangle around where the eye holes will be, and then cut it out. Transfer this rectangle to another piece of cardstock and cut it again. You can repeat this as many times as you need. The more space you put between the full photo and the eye photo, the more intense the illusion will be. But if you do too much, it can start to look a little too weird. You can stack the photos with the cardstock spacers together to see just how many you'll need. I settled with 2. Once you've determined how many you'll need and have cut them out and whatnot, glue all of the pieces together. Spread glue all over the cardstock spacer piece and glue it down. Repeat until everything is glued in place. Place this under a heavy book or something while it dries. And then just stick this piece into the frame, secure it, hang it up, and you're good to go. When you move around the photo, the eyes should look like they're following you around the room. Pretty creepy stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave a like, feel free to subscribe, hit that notification bell, all of that good stuff. Thank you to my patrons for helping me produce this series. If you are interested in becoming a patron or learning about what Patreon is, I'll leave a link to mine right up here and you can go check it out. If you have any questions or suggestions for future Halloweek videos for next year, then please leave a comment down below. You can follow me on all of my social media, which will be linked down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week on Monday.